first of all, I would like to request all, on the occasion of birth centenary of Kalainar, Thirukarunanidhi, I would request all of you to give standing homage to one of the greatest Indian and great leader. Thank you very much. Brothers and sisters, Vanakkam. It is with great honor and deep respect that I stand before you today to celebrate the birth centenary of one of the most revered leaders of our country, Kalainar Karunanidhi. I pay my homage to Kalainar on his special occasion, a man whose influence extended far beyond the borders of Tamil Nadu, and Thiru Karunanidhi was a titan of Indian politics, a cultural stalwart, and a relentless advocate of the social justice. Friends, as we gather here to celebrate his life and legacy, it is just imperative to recognize that his contribution to public good was not limited to Tamil Nadu, but also benefited the entire nation. His vision and actions encapsulate what it means to be Indian, a fusion of diverse identities, a commitment to inclusivity, and an unwavering dedication to democracy and progress. Friends, Thiru Karunanidhi's political journey is a story of resilience, determination, and a deep-rooted connection with the people. His tenure as the five-time Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is marked by his remarkable ability to address the needs of the common people while navigating the complex waters of Indian politics. He was not just a regional leader, but a national figure whose influence was felt across the country. While deeply rooted in Tamil Nadu identity, Thiru Karunanidhi never allowed regionalism to undermine the unity of India. He understood that the strength of Indian democracy lies in its ability to accommodate diverse voices and identities, and his participation in national politics, his role in coalition governments, and his interactions with leaders across the political spectrum reflected his commitment to the idea of India, a nation where diversity is celebrated. Friends, Thiru Karunanidhi's advocacy for federalism was rooted in his understanding of India's unity in diversity, which I just described. He recognized that the strength of Indian democracy lies in its ability to accommodate different voices, cultures, and identities. His insistence on state rights was a call for a more balanced and equitable distribution of power within the Union. Friends, this commitment to federalism is a key aspect of Indianness, and India's diversity is its strength, and the federal structure allows this diversity to flourish within a unified framework. Thiru Karunanidhi's work in this area ensured that Tamil Nadu's voice was heard at the national level while also contributing to the strengthening of India's federal structure. His legacy reminds us that Indianness is about respecting and celebrating our differences while working together for the common good.